The NUVO Recorder Plus, Toot, and Dude are fairly simple instruments and don't often require much in the way of repair and maintenance. The keys are designed to be durable even if bent backwards or stretched out. However, sometimes things happen, especially since younger students tend to be using these instruments. NUVO sells a school spares kit. If you are using a class set of any of these instruments, I would recommend picking up a spares kit. They contain the common lost or broken parts that you might need. Most people don't realize that the Recorder and Recorder Plus have optional reward rings on the bottom of the instrument. You can take these off and encourage students to earn them back. But be careful if you take them off. They are very tiny silicone rings. There are some extra rings in the spares and repairs kit that I mentioned before. The Toot instrument comes with 2 lip plates. The first lip plate, just like a recorder, and the standard lip plate, just like a flute. When you are ready to switch the lip plates, using the tool provided or a coin, slide it under the lip plate, apply a bit of pressure, and it pops off. Check the standard lip plate to make sure the O-ring is in place under the mouthpiece. Take the next lip plate, start with the ribbed edge, and roll it towards you until you hear a click. It is now secure and ready for students to play. When using the Dude instrument, periodically you'll need to check the reed to make sure that it isn't bent or chewed, especially if you are using them with students. Just because they are synthetic reeds doesn't mean they last forever. You should be able to get a few months out of a single reed if you don't bend it or chew it. Here's an example of what a new reed looks like, and here's an example of a bent or chewed reed. I recommend keeping the mouthpiece cover over the instrument when the instrument is not in use to help prevent damage between playing. There are a few extra reeds and mouthpiece covers in the spares and repairs kit. To change the reed on the Dude, first press on the lever, firmly grasp the reed, and slide upwards. On the back of the reed is a notch that will help guide the reed into place. Simply press the lever upwards, put it on the instrument, and slide until you feel it stop. The reed is now in place and ready for students to play. On the Dude mouthpiece, there are rubber O-rings. If these get dry, you can use a little bit of the included NUVO grease or Vaseline or baby oil. You can rub them lightly on the O-rings themselves, or you can put a small dab inside the instrument. This will help the mouthpiece slide easily into place. If you find that you need a repair beyond these that I've shown you, say a key rips off or something out of your control damages the body, for instance, you can contact a NUVO distributor for repairs. If you are located in the United States, we have a NUVO office just outside of Boston, Massachusetts, and we would be happy to repair your instrument for you, free of charge. NUVO also has additional videos if you want to try the repair at home. NUVO can send you replacement parts. You can find contact information on our website or listed in the video description.